First thing you're going to do is pull the color shroud off of here, like this. And now you have 4 screws. You have 2 in here and 2 in the bottom. The 2 in the bottom are easy to get to. There's 1. There's 2. And the 2 that are on top, you almost need a flashlight to get in there. If it's dark in your house, you will not see where the screw is. It's on this angle right here. I have a screwdriver with a magnetic tip on it. So same thing on this side. You may be able to feel your way around, but that's the hardest part, trying to find those 2 screws and those 2 holes. Alright, so that now we've got this off. When you have this off, you can disconnect these 2 cables. These are just for your lights. Okay? So now, here's what you're looking at. Right here. Right there, there's a bolt right there. And you can see this shaft right here is leaning against, anyway. So what you need to do is take a 10 millimeter and a long nose plier. The long nose pliers goes on this side so the bolt don't turn. Take your 10 millimeter on this side and give it about 3 turns. 3 half turns. So I'm only going, but you have to hold the other side down. 3 half turns on both sides. And that's what's happening. This lever is not coming. This lever here should be coming up like this. Up. But if it gets stuck and it's not coming up, the beepers will beep. So it has to keep coming up. So again, on this side, you will take your long nose pliers at the end of the bolt. You will give it 3 turns to tighten it. 1, 2, and 3. And now your levers should come up pretty good. Just make sure that once you tighten it, that they come up easily. This one's a little tight here. So make sure they come up easily. And that's where your beeping's coming from, is this handle is getting stuck and it's not coming back up all the way. This one's a little tight. I'm going to loosen it up a little bit more. So it should come up like this. Then you're good. And that's it. Just put your colors back on, put your bolts back on, you're ready to go. This is Mark with Marc's Mobility. We are a family-owned business for over 20 years. Thank you for watching this presentation. We have several other models available. If you have any questions, please call the number below, 800-677-6293. Thank you again for watching.